Welcome to today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Monday, February 1st, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. Risk appetite is the theme to start the week. Visit www.fxtimes.com for updates on the US dollar, Japanese yen, and the pound dollar pairs. In this video, I'll take a look at the euro dollar, the dollar Canadian dollar, and the euro pound pairs. This video is being produced at about 3:20 p.m. Eastern Time. The euro-dollar pair is rallying to start the week, although very slowly. And there might be some risk appetite that's pushing the euro back up from some better than expected US ISM manufacturing data. But again, this rally is very slow, so we'll see if it tests this trend line and whether or not it would top off here. It could go up to here, the previous support here, and still we'll basically see if there's topping action by the end of the U.S. session and the start of Asian session. As you can see in the daily, this decline, this swing projection, has not been reached yet. It's somewhat a little bit above it. The momentum still showing very bearish action here, a little continuation here. So we might, the rally might be just a short correction rally, but again, we'll see in the Asian and possibly in the European session as it attempts to rally and tests this declining trend line. If there's a bearish signal such as this, something that's more than just a couple, like 20 pips, something like that's more like 50 pip move in a 4-hour span, maybe that's a bearish signal for continuation to the 1.37 area here. So that would be the near-term outlook for the euro dollar. Risk appetite also helps the commodity currency such as the loonie here. As you see, the dollar is losing ground against the loonie after hitting this 1.07 area. So from here, we might see some kind of retracement, although right now it's already retraced a bit and it's testing this adjusted upsloping trend line. So if this trend line does break, then we could project some kind of a further retracement to maybe the 50% area somewhere here. Then, after this retracement, look for bottoming action, as it would indicate continuation, along with a bullish signal. Then it would indicate continuation. And when looking at the daily, you see if today the market closes around where it is right now, this is a reversal engulfing pattern and signal some reversal. So we may have some correction. However, if this correction is supported, or if it's slow and we see bottoming action and then some kind of strong bullish price action, then it's very likely that we will break this down slope and trend line, and then the next target would be basically this high here around 1.11. Okay, so that's the short-term outlook for the US dollar Canadian dollar pair. Here's a follow-up on the euro pound pair. Actually, this is from last week. Here we had a bullish butterfly, and from there we had price action that suggested reversal. So we anticipated a rally, here or even further to the 50% retracement area. So far, it's reached the 38.2% retracement area, and it's basically completed this this swing projection. So also, the price action is showing reversal signals along with our stochastic. So, instead of so this projection may be invalidated, and we may actually be in a bearish. We're in a ranging mode, but in the near term, we may start to have a bearish outlook back down here to the 0.86 area. So that's the near-term projection. Looking at the daily. You see, even we're in this little wedge or pennant here. So the market comes back down, and it's supported somewhere around here. We continue stalking this ranging action, and if it breaks above this resistance here, further retracement can be expected. If it breaks below, then we have a continuation to this area here in the short term. Again, so we have two scenarios here, the bullish and the bearish. Bullish one would be taken after the break of this resistance, and the bearish one actually is in line with our price action, and it's really hard to since the trend line is declining, it's not easy to use that as a signal. The main thing is looking at price action. If the price action here starts to accelerate, we may continue further and break out of this consolidation to reach that support. Okay, so again, the near-term outlook has to be determined from price action, but the short-term outlook here is the test of 0.84, 84.50. While if we break this resistance, then we may have a retracement. Let's see, this is retracement up here, somewhere up here, 61.8%, which is the 0.89 area, which is also, this whole area here is where we broke this power line. So 0.8850 also is a important resistance area. So watch for that. If the topping action occurs, then we strengthen our outlook to continue further decline here. You see, to continue our further decline down here to the 0.84 area. Alright. And that wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at FX Times, wishing you good trading.